Well, good morning, YouTube and my 168 subscribers. Thank you very much. This is William from Williams, Philippines. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. It's Tuesday morning, 9/17/2024 at 4 in the morning. Yeah, fun stuff being up at this hour. It is what it is. I've already had a couple people come by to check out. Such fun. Anyway, yeah, managed to find out about the cheaper flight that goes from me getting on the plane here in Amarillo and going to Dallas, and going from Dallas to Seoul, and then Seoul to or Incheon or something like that. Anyway, from there over to Cebu. It's the same last two planes, but adding the one here. But it was a cheaper flight, except they're going to charge me for the extra bag because the first part of the flight is here U.S. and they get to yeah charge me for the extra bag, which puts me basically back to over their price. Uh, Fun stuff, but I did find out and got it saved as my one of my options. So we'll see. I don't know about you, but I don't want to waste money if I don't have to. So yeah, gotta go in the morning and head to the bank uh, and get my bank's address and such moved over. And yeah, also set up go paperless on one of my accounts. Cut down what's actually showing up in my mailbox because I only have so many of them that I get for free. So yay! But get them down to where it's pretty much everything's under my monthly limit, and keep everything else online. So, yay, wireless stuff, paperless stuff. And that's a good thing, save a tree and all that. But then, electronics, we're burning trees and gas, whatever. It's always something. And what gets me is, they talk about how oil's evil. Well, no, it's natural, it's part of the planet. Yeah, everything is straight up off the planet, pretty much. I don't know. They talk about how you can they create a molecule. Well, they're using stuff that was here already to make something different. Okay, man assembled, man made, yeah, but all the ingredients are here. So yeah, I don't know. Was checking out a place called Suspicious Observer, and they were talking about a X class popped off yesterday or the day before, I forget. Supposed to be having a bit of the coronal mass ejection, doing a glancing blow. It was before it turned in and was directly aimed at us, but a halo eruption. Those are cool to watch on the camera they have out there, a satellite they have out there. Uh, Watching the sun can be pretty interesting. It moves kind of slow, so speed it up and or back up and speed it up and see how fast it moves, and see what's actually happening out there. Sun's a worrisome thing. Could erase us in a heartbeat, yet it's been what allows us to continue living because, hey, we all need that warmth. Yeah, I don't really think people understand, global warming. They want to say that we're warming. Okay. Do you really want to go back to an ice age? I mean, seriously? Uh, and we spend more time in ice ages than we do in warming periods. So, me, I think we're more likely to go to a ice age and start getting colder than we are to have to worry about global warming. You're going to want the warmth. There's ways to cool down, but staying warm, yeah, heating is more of a problem than cooling. Just saying. Anyway, uh, don't know which one I'm going to go with on the airplane. Still trying to figure that out. Uh, apparently, after I got out of here yesterday, my boss got run over by a lot of guests all of a sudden still wanting to come down and eat. That's a hard thing to do at breakfast time. I prepare and I prepare for a bunch of people for breakfast because we got a work crews in here and they want to eat something before they head out for their day of work. I understand that. So I try to make up a bunch of food for them. It's the ones that come after they're gone that are trying, you never know for sure if somebody wants to come in to eat. And if they do, are there a bunch of them or just one or two of them? Uh, apparently, my boss got run over with the bunch of them after I left. And I had left enough for a few. That's the problem with breakfast. You never know how many people are going to decide they want to show up and eat and come have breakfast. So, chief cook, bottle washer, checker inner auditor, and auditor. Oh, sometimes security guard and maintenance. Uh, they came in and they put in a new water meter, and so water was off in the building, and oh, they got the new water meter in and checked it and thought it was okay and ran off, and then you're leaking. Did somebody not check to make sure it wasn't leaking before they left? Well, anyway, they had to come back in here and do it again. And so my boss had a wonderful day and was ready to run away. He called me in early. And yeah. So I've been here since 9:30. Yay, overtime. Come tomorrow morning at about 7:30 when my relief gets here. Yay, overtime. I'm ready to go. Yeah, I'll be ready to go get some sleep. But I still got to go to the bank and get that started. And I, I got into one of those wonderful spots. Uh, I went into my settings and found my subscriptions. I started getting rid of email subscriptions and newsletter subscriptions. And I probably got rid of 100 of them. Yeah, probably got 3, 4 times that to go. But hey, I did get through and get rid of a bunch of stuff so that my mailbox will be a little bit emptier, which is a good thing. Quite honestly, there's a bunch of newsletters I quit paying attention to a long time ago, but I'm still getting mail from them because I don't usually remember to go and erase them, unsubscribe. But I've been doing that because, well, I just don't need all that stuff. That's part of getting to the point of getting rid of mail. Some of it's email, some of it's paper mail, and some of it's going to be going to my new virtual mailbox. And Anytime got me all set up on that going again. So it was, yeah, it was their provider here local that went nuts and caused the problem. Hopefully, I won't have that problem again. Uh, Apparently, this one's been out there a while and it's fairly stable, not going anywhere. So, yay. It is what it is. But yeah, I got to start getting those things taken care of. And, you know, the address is moved around and all these other bits and pieces. Because, hey, got to take care of it before I leave. You know, did a complete walk around the building uh, on the inside, or I should say up and down on the building from the inside twice over. So, yeah. And while I was doing it, I checked the plumbing because my boss is worried that it's still leaking. Because, well, he doesn't trust the plumber. I understand. Hey, had to call him back twice. You know, call him out for the, well, have him come fix the first thing and then have to call him back to fix it again. So he's still not trusting him that much, so I understand. But then I've also made it around the building 13 times for my walking. I'm going to try a couple more times. I'd like to, at least tie the record, if not break it again. We'll see. I don't know. I'm trying to walk more and be more energetic, and I'm noticing that I'm feeling better about it and walking. And so, yay, that's a good thing. And it's something I can get a couple more laps in while this is uploading. So, yay. And I got my papers for my insurance so I can go there and, yeah. I don't know where my original insurance card went uh, for the new one, because I've got the old ones. Still know where they're at. But yeah, they're the new ones at. So I got new ones sitting over there. And I'll, yeah, try to go there after I hit the bank and get that taken care of. Yeah, last week was expensive, and this is the dripping over from last week into this week. Fun stuff. The only good thing about it is because of the mailbox shutting down, I did have to spend a whole nother year's worth of fees for Anytime Mailbox, but I will get a refund on the 8 months that are left. So, yay. About $80. So, that'll go back into the account and help. But, yeah, I'm not happy about it. But the cost of the class and the ticket will be getting hit today. Last week's costs dragging into this week. Because, hey, all that fun stuff. Anyway, uh, thank yous to the folks who've been commenting. Somebody wished me a good afternoon. Well, good day and blessings. Hope you have a good one. Lots of food to everybody. It's never fun to be hungry. Yeah. Anyway, had to run out last time on the last one because guests were starting to show up real regular like. The later I wait, the more people start moving around. I probably should do this before I do my audit, but I've got kind of used to doing it a little after my audit. So we'll see. Anyway, this is William Williams, Philippines. I hope everybody's got a full belly today and has an easy day at work. I'm William Williams, Philippines, and hey, fish is out.